Welcome to our weekly analysis for gold for the week of 10 to 14th of August. So we have CPI and PPI news coming up for this week. We completed NFP last Friday, and so that's something that market will absorb for the next 2 days before we get the CPI and PPI news on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So if you want to know or do the analysis before you come out to any week, you just have to go on Forex Factory and then you can look out for these news which are scheduled for the week and based on which the gold can move. So CPI, DPI news are there. I will give an in-depth knowledge about it in the further videos. For now, that's something that I also look before planning or seeing the charts for a particular week. Okay. As I said on monthly candle, July was almost flat in moving in around 200 points, and the breakout in the first week taking is bullish mm, because market has absorbed the news for uh, the FOMC as well as NFP. So this, as we can see, a strong uh, base been created and then the market has moved up with a strong bullish candle on weekly as well as monthly time frame. So that gives us a clear picture of where we want to take our trades for the upcoming week. But as I said, it's been like 300, 3,000 bits a move in what about 3 or 4 days time in gold. So be careful because the market might be a little bit sideways for the upcoming week, and this could be a trapping candle as well. As far as you can see on weekly time frame, it is nearing the 15 EMA. So ensure that you all take the necessary precautions before trading. As if you can see, I've already marked these levels between 440 and 420. Basically, this is an FEG on daily 4 and 1 hour time frame. And hence there is a support where gold has taken support for the candles low of 20th May's candle low. So, and as well as why it took exact support at around 370 is because there was an Asian high on the candle of 17 June 2026. Sorry, a London high, New York high, basically. Okay, and hence the uh, New York session or New York candle respected the New York high, and accordingly, it took support from resistance from there, and then it was basically a sideways candle after the NFP news. So, what can you expect? So, my analysis as far as my trades goes will be very very simple and clear for the upcoming week. I'll be looking for bullish trades anywhere if it's about 304, okay, 304, 305. But the only scenario I will plan on taking selling trade, and that also a long selling trade, is when I have a closing candle below 4305. Basically, that's Asian high of 6th August. If New York in the New York session, which I probably expected to break, or for that matter, in the Asian session, uh, if this candle breaks, okay, below 305, which I don't expect, but if it actually breaks up, we can expect a good selling trade for almost 200 pips again. That is still 4120. Okay, or for that matter it can go up to 4080 as well. So this is what I can expect only when there is a 1 hour or 4 hour candle closing below this level of Asian high, that is 4305. This is one of the trades that you can expect only in selling, but you need a healthy good confirmation, and then proper trailing of stop loss is something that is required from your side. Now, many of you will ask me why these levels, because it will be a change of character, as well as when I see the market on daily time frame. Okay, it has moved significantly, and it's a nature of market. Whenever these kind of move happens, there is a pullback in place, and whenever there is a pullback in place, the 6.18 level is obviously respected at all levels. So this is the 618 level with my Fib, which I have drawn. Okay, the market will bounce back to here. Somehow it will just play sideways after the CPI PPI news and then come here, respect it, and then start moving on forward. Okay, so this could be one of the scenarios, but for that, I need a healthy candle closing below 4305, or else I will keep on buying at all the basic FEGs on 15-minute time frame, or for that matter on 1 hour time frame. Because if you see on 1 hour time frame, it is following a beautiful pattern of respecting the 9 and 15 EMA moving average. Okay, so that's what I will do in general, and that's what I'll expect everybody to do it. Now, what's the plan for Monday and Tuesday, wherein I don't expect a major move, or I expect a major, just a continuation of filling the FEGs and market trading sideways. So, what you can expect out of here is this uh, bullish flag pattern being tested here. Okay, so that's what you should also be targeting. Okay, wait for this breakout to happen, or for that matter, what I feel is the market will first come down to what around 4317, fill in the FEGs of the NFP candle, and then move ahead. So that's something what I am expecting out of Monday and Tuesday before the CPI and PPI news, furthering the movement to 420 and 440. That's would be my plan of action for a bullish trade. And obviously, I have already given the short position, uh, my short position, what I can say, plan, which I am expecting to be turned out. This will be my plan. So this will be like around 80, 90 pips ka targets with a minimum stop loss of, you can expect around this. So that's 150 pips, 1500 pips stop loss, and a target of around 900 pips. So that's the two plans that I will see personally. And obviously, when I say if it goes below this Asian high, London takes this Asian high anytime in this week, you expect all this FEGs, all these bullish candles, FEGs to be taken out. So that's the plan of action. I hope you enjoy the levels and the analysis which is put up by me. And yeah, accordingly, you can plan your trades. I'll be putting my email ID shortly, and you can obviously uh, comment back on the YouTube video for any sort of queries that you guys have. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.